The process of extracting oil from soybeans involves several steps, including cleaning, crushing, heating, pressing. One key aspect of successful soybean oil extraction lies in the use of innovative technologies such as screw presses and hexane-based solvent systems. These methods enhance efficiency and allow for greater control over the extraction process. Additionally, environmentally friendly practices are increasingly being integrated into modern equipment designs, aligning with global sustainability goals. For example, choosing the right soybean oil extraction equipment depends on factors like production capacity, budget constraints, and specific operational requirements. Reputable manufacturers provide comprehensive support services, including installation assistance, training programs, and maintenance plans, ensuring long-term reliability and productivity. By partnering with experienced suppliers, companies can invest in durable. In conclusion, soybean oil extraction equipment manufacturers are vital contributors to the advancement of agricultural technology. Their commitment to innovation, quality, and sustainability helps drive progress within the food processing sector.